Today we're diving into the features of the Lifetime 80,747 commercial-grade folding chairs, a six-pack set in elegant white granite. These chairs boast superior strength with a frame crafted from powder-coated steel, ensuring both durability and a sleek look. The wide seat and tall back are made from high-impact polyethylene, providing comfort and support for any occasion. Designed to withstand the elements, the steel frame comes with an all-weather finish, making these chairs perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Not only are they stain resistant, but they're also incredibly easy to clean, ensuring they stay looking fresh and new. Whether you're hosting a large event or just need extra seating at home, these chairs are contoured for comfort and built to last. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.